Vehicles on the road require consistent, preventative care to stay running. It is a baseline requirement of modern infrastructure. That constant, unavoidable wear and tear translates directly into a recurring revenue stream. It makes the automotive maintenance industry highly stable and remarkably resistant to broader economic downturns. The challenge for investors: capturing that revenue usually demands deep technical expertise. Running a typical garage means navigating complex daily operations and retaining a staff of highly specialized mechanics. A traditional engine repair shop handles unpredictable, diagnostic-heavy work that changes from car to car. Preventative maintenance, on the other hand, operates on standardized, repeatable workflows. Entering the automotive sector at scale requires a franchise model that completely separates business ownership from the need for specialized mechanical labor. Grease Monkey is currently the nation's largest independent franchisor of automotive oil change centers. Founded in 1978, they have over 40 years of operational history and a footprint of nearly 600 locations operating globally. They maintain that footprint by strictly limiting their market positioning. They specialize exclusively in a fast-in, fast-out preventative care model. There are no deep engine overhauls and no appointments necessary. By strictly focusing on preventative maintenance, the business moves away from being an unpredictable mechanics garage. It becomes a highly scalable, process-driven corporate asset. Let's look at the specific capital required to enter the Grease Monkey franchise system and get a location open. This chart breaks down the initial investment. Startup costs fall between $245,816 and $761,952. Corporate requires $250,000 in liquid cash and a net worth of $450,000. Once operating, you pay a 6% royalty fee, plus a 4.5% advertising fee on gross sales. In exchange for those inputs, you secure a 15-year renewable agreement and immediately tap into the brand's national purchasing power for parts, oil, and equipment. The trade-off here is clear. This model requires a serious commitment of upfront capital, and you are tied to a physical real estate footprint. This structure intentionally filters out investors looking for low-cost side hustles. It is built for well-capitalized entrepreneurs ready to invest in a serious, localized brick-and-mortar business. The viability of that financial investment relies entirely on your ability to execute inside the bay on a daily basis. The engine of that execution is the proprietary Grease Monkey Technician Training and Certification Program. The entire system is engineered to process vehicles with high-speed precision. The operational target is a strict 15-minute turnaround time for a full-service oil change. The Certified Pit Crew module is how you maintain that speed. It provides a structured pathway to successfully onboard and train new staff quickly, meaning you do not need to hire people with prior mechanic experience. This quadrant chart plots the operational trade-off. The Grease Monkey model sits high on the scalability axis because it remains low on complexity. By stripping out complex diagnostic variables, an investor can standardize operations, rapidly opening a second, third, or fourth location. This operational model defines the franchisee's role as the manager of a highly efficient, high-volume system, rather than a technical specialist. While oil changes drive the volume, individual locations maximize their baseline revenue through specific add-on services. The model requires offering battery tests, performing fluid exchanges, routine filter replacements, and brake services. These manufacturer-recommended services keep customer warranties intact and steadily increase the average ticket price per visit. Beyond individual drivers, owners can tap into the fleet program. This is a dedicated business-to-business revenue channel targeting local commercial vehicles, like delivery vans or service trucks, which require constant maintenance. Capturing this extra revenue introduces a management trade-off. You have to handle broader inventory lines for the extra services, and you have to actively leave the shop to network with other local businesses to secure those fleet contracts. Owners who lean heavily into team leadership and local networking can significantly elevate their location's financial output and strengthen their community presence. This decision tree maps two investor profiles suited for this framework. The corporate transitioner path fits professionals seeking a turnkey system and pre-written playbook. The multi-unit operator path fits seasoned investors expanding portfolios. Low startup costs make rapid multi-unit acquisition highly viable here. Ultimately, the Grease Monkey model aligns with investors who prioritize strict system execution, scaling, and team leadership over industry-specific technical skills. Finding the right franchise comes down to matching your personal financial goals and leadership style to the correct system. The necessary next steps involve verifying territory availability in your area and conducting a thorough review of the franchise disclosure documents. Click the link below to visit the National Franchise Association Advisor website. Scheduling a one-on-one strategy session with a certified franchise advisor is the crucial, risk-free next step to evaluating your options and creating wealth through the franchise industry.